Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on GetAssist on your channel. So in today's video, I will tell you how you can get sponsorships by using your own YouTube channel or your Instagram account, through which you can get a lot of sponsors. So before starting this video, I would like to tell you that there are plenty of ways by which you can get sponsorships. And there are different types of sponsorships which you can attract for your YouTube channel or for your Instagram account. So first of all, we need to know that whether we will get paid for it or not. So there are two types of sponsorships. Number one, paid sponsorships, and number two, barter sponsorships. So what is barter sponsorships? Most of the time you can see that the Instagram influencers gets the product, and that product that has to be advertised by using that particular product, and then they have to give the reviews on that particular product. So that can be barter as well, or maybe paid as well. Barter means, suppose there is a company who had just shared his or her product to us, and then we have to use that particular product, and then we have to give the review of the product. In that case, we can keep that product as well. For example, I have to advertise one fairness cream products I have to just advertise that particular product. So in that case, the company will send me that particular product to my address, and I have to use that particular product, through which I have to give them a best and honest reviews about that particular product they have just sent me. So now in this case, the company can pay me as well for reviewing his or her product, or they can just simply say, you just keep that particular product, use it, and just in return give us the reviews or post a picture for that particular product on our Instagram, on our YouTube channel. So this is the two basic difference through which you can differentiate the types of sponsorships. Now the question is how you can get the sponsorships. Now first of all, very simplest way to get the sponsorship is to mail them on their official mail IDs. Now, because you are a very new YouTuber or a very new influencer, you do not have that much of link, or you are not that much particular, popular in the social media. So in that case, you need to tell the companies that you are also one of the influencers, or you are one of the YouTuber through which you can also advertise, and you have so and so followers, and you have so and so of engagements. Basically, the company or any sponsor whosoever will provide you the sponsorship, they will see the engagement of your ID. For example, you have just 1000 followers, but you have the engagement of 80% of your followers. That means you get 800 likes or 700 likes, or engagement on each and every post of your Instagram. So that means your engagement rate is very high. In this case, the followers will not matter a lot. Your engagement will matter more, and the more you will attract the audience, the more the sponsorship you will get. So this is the very first way through which you can get the sponsorship, by mailing them, by letting them know that yes, you are also one of those influencers who are ready to promote their product on your Instagram page. Now the second way through which you can earn the sponsorship is that you have to advertise your Instagram account by putting your own capital or by putting your own money. How? For example, I have just posted anything on my Instagram account, and now I have to boost that particular post so that more and more people can see that particular post and can give me more and more likes, and I will get more and more engagements. This is called paid boost advertisement, and that advertisement you are doing it for your own YouTube or for your own post on Instagram or on your Facebook account. Now these will not help you to get the more sponsorships, but yes, this will help you to generate more and more engagement. As I have a very new account and I don't have a lot of followers, but yes, how I can engage or how I can increase my engagement by using these paid promotions, which is already given by Instagram, YouTube or Facebook. They already provide you these kind of paid promotions through which you can enhance your profile, and through which you can attract the more and more sponsors. So these are the two basic ways in which you can get the sponsorships and through which you can earn more and more money. So I hope this video was helpful to you. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.